Hello, and welcome to another episode of Borg Tries to Fix It. So today what we're going to be doing is working on the electrical system. Now I know not a lot's in the car now, but now's the perfect time to get all this in there so that when we go and put the dash back in, put the headlights back on, put the engine in, you know, all the wiring is where it needs to be, so we can just hook things up. So what we got here is a custom kit that's made specifically for the 68 to 72 cutlass, and it's made by American Autowire. So let me open up the kit and we'll start taking a look at some things. Alright. Alright. Looks like we got a ton of instructions here, which is good. Everything is individually packaged. These are the rear armrest courtesy lamps. This one's going to be the rear body kit. Here we got engine kit. My goodness, dimmer switch, console kit, courtesy light kit. Goodness, front light kit, instrument cluster kit. Ooh, this is a big one. This must be, yep, this is the fuse box. This is going to be your alternator and main power kit. We got our relays. Actually, no, those are the flashers. Headlight switch. Wow, look at this thing. Some extra connectors. Wow, this is quite the kit. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna read some instructions and I'll get back with you after that. Okay, here we are in the car. This is our main fuse panel. So it comes without the fuses in it, and I just went through and put all the fuses in it. Now what we're going to do is put this panel right where that hole is under the dash here and start routing some of the wires. This kit's really cool. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but each of these wires, see if I can get it to focus here. Yeah, it's probably not going to focus, but let me tell you, each of the wires has written on it exactly what it is. So like this one says brake light switch. Another one says courtesy lights, horn, whatever. So it's a pretty cool kit so that, you know, no matter what, you're going to know what the wire is supposed to go to. But anyway, let me set you up on a tripod and watch me put this in there. So I got these long screws, and everything on this stays on this side of the firewall. There's two connections in the back that'll be for the engine compartment later on when we go to do all that. But everything in here is pretty much, this is all for the dash here. And anything for the rear of the car has, or the console, has connectors that then that kit connects onto. So anyway, let's put this on using the factory holes that we took the old one off of. Alright. Just get it started. Alright. Here's my other one. Nothing to see here. I just might have put it in upside down. Everything points up. Okay. Now, It's much easier to put backwards. Well, this is a pain. This sucks. Okay, that's started. Let's try and get this other one in. Whew. It is. Okay, that's in. Whew. All right. So, now we're just going to kind of take a look at some of the things as far as routing goes. I know for the bulk of it, it's going to come up over in this area where it's going to be right behind the dash. All right. So, we're going to pull it up here. Pull everything through. Bulk of the wires over this way. All right. So, in some of these things we have courtesy lights, which will be here, and those will go to the underdash lights. All right. Some of the other stuff we got here. Here we have our ignition switch. So this is going to end up kind of right in here where the steering column is going to be. Alright. Some of the other things, we have our turn signals. That's this one here. That's also going to be kind of into the steering column there. Some of these longer ones are going to be our radio. Alright. And this will be for our okay. drawer on the other side. Radio. This is going to be for our cigarette lighter, which will just end up being a 12-volt thing for me. Let's see, what do we got on this one? This is just the dash lights. Okay. So there are a couple of things we can hook up right off the bat. The headlight dimmer switch, which is right here, can be hooked up. Of course, it goes tight. Okay, that's in. And the parking brake light, which goes right in here, can be hooked up. All right. Now, there's a connector here that's going to go to the rear of the car for the lights and the gas. This is just a general connector that lets you connect any kind of accessories, so that's added on from original. We're probably going to have to use that for our convertible top because the system doesn't have something for the convertible top. We got our washers, which will be here. Our headlight switch will be here. We got some of the wires routed to the neutral safety switch and things for the center console. So yeah, overall, this is gonna be not that bad a kit. So along the way, you'll see me add to this and whatnot, but this is just kind of the general, get it in there, get stuff ready to go. Because I mean, we're getting really close to, having to put the dash in and the engine and everything. So I want to have the wiring good to go. So this was a short one. It was just something I wanted to get done so I could move forward. I think we're gonna start restoring the dash at some point very soon, so I'm gonna try and video that the best I can, and we're gonna take it one step at a time. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.